Hi there, welcome back to TELW. My name is Manu, and if you're new on this channel, I make videos on English language to help you improve your communication skills. If you are new, therefore, you will need to subscribe to our channel to get all the videos to you. Right. Today, I want to start actually a series of videos on basic English. We'll look at how to greet people, how to introduce yourself. We're going to look at some pronunciation with numbers, and we're going to talk about the place where you live, the way you stay, all right, how do you say that, where you live, etc. And we'll also have a small little thing on how to give out your phone numbers, your email address and all that. Okay, let's start with the first one, introduction. How do you introduce yourself? When you see somebody, you just say, hi. Hi, my name's Manu. So you say, hi, my name's Manu. Let me put the glasses over here. Hi, my name's Manu. Hi, Manu, my name's Sachin. Say, hi, my name's Manu, and then he will say, hi, Manu. He tells the name. Hi, Manu, my name's Sachin. Hi, Sachin, how are you? Great, and how are you? Perfect. That's the way you start your greeting. Repeat this, okay? Go back on this video, repeat what I said. Repeat that. Note the voice quality also. Hi, my name's Manu. So hi, go up it. Hi, as a comma. So stop, pause. Hi, my name's Manu. My name's Manu. So that my name's Manu. See that intonation? Check that out. Work on that. You can also say, when you introduce yourself, I'm from Delhi. What about you? Okay, like, I'm from Delhi. What about you? Okay, I'm from Chennai. Great. So, hi, my name is Manu. Hi, Manu, my name's Sachin. Hi, Sachin, how are you? Great, how about you? Perfect. I'm from Delhi. Oh, I'm from Chennai. See? You say, where are you from? So you were born in Chennai, so you say you are from Chennai. I was born in Orissa, so I am from Orissa. From. You can also say, I'm originally from Orissa. And you want to ask, what about you? So you want to know the information from him. You want to know something about the other person. What about you? So tell me something about you. I'll say, what about you? That's a chunk. What about you? That's a chunk. See? Very important. You can also, okay, now before I close, you can also talk about the language that you speak. So, do you speak English? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Short answer, right? Yes, I do. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. What about you? Yes, I do speak English, but now I'm telling you something different, opposite. I speak English, but I'm not very good. But we'll look at but a bit later, okay, in some other videos as we go forward. Subscribe to this channel to get all those videos that we will be publishing after this. Okay, so we'll have the whole thing coming one after the other. Dan. Okay, now let's look at the numbers, for instance. There's a lot of confusion between the teen numbers and the T numbers. What do you mean? 1, 3 is 13, but 30 is 30. See? 13, 30. 14, 40. 15. Look at that, teen goes in. Long video. So 15, 50. That's short. 50. Repeat after me. 16, 60. Bang. 17, 70. See? 70. Just stop. 18, 80. 19, 90. The teens. Let's look at the telephone numbers and email addresses, etc. How do you give these? These are called the contact details. If you want to contact me, how will you do that? You take my telephone number, you call me on my phone. You take my email ID and you send me an email. Say, how do you ask for a telephone number? What's your telephone number? Sorry. What's your telephone number? Just repeat after me. What's your telephone number? Note the way I said, what's your telephone number? It's 123 456 7892. Look at the way I said it. 334. 123 456 7892. This is mostly the way it is said in most of the countries. You can also say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Perfect. But remember, say them slowly so that the other person can write it down. I can write it down. Sorry, it's bad because of the pollution and all that. You can write it down. So say that slowly. Now, how to talk about the email ID? Oh, sorry, email ID. You find people saying it's manu@manu.com. At the rate? No. That thing A in a circle, that's called at. So it's manu@manu.com. Sorry, this is not my real ID. You won't forget me in this one. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, TELW's email ID is telw.delhi@gmail.com. At, not at the rate. Never say at the rate. So what's your email ID? It's telw.delhi@gmail.com. Look at the way I'm saying it. Repeat it. telw.delhi@gmail.com. At gmail.com. At treedifmail.com. Okay, at telw.com. At. All right. Now we'll go to another little thing, which is how to tell about the place where you live. So, question: where do you live? I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. See, Delhi has a border, a boundary, and you live inside that boundary somewhere. So you say, I live in Delhi. Now, Delhi is a big place and you want to know which particular place. So you ask, whereabouts in Delhi do you live? Whereabouts in Delhi do you live? Note the word, whereabouts. Repeat it, whereabouts. All right, see, whereabouts in Delhi do you live? So, where do you live? I live in Delhi. Okay, whereabouts in Delhi do you live? I live in Malviya Nagar. Whereabouts in Malviya Nagar do you live? You say, I live at 208A by 1B. 208A is the address, the house number, the plot number. So you say you live at the house number. I live at A173 Malviya Nagar. I live at. But I live in Malviya Nagar, I live in Delhi, I live in India. In a place because it's got a boundary. You live in there. Okay? Now, I live here. That's my permanent place. I live there. But if I go to a hotel, let's say, for 5 days, 6 days, 1 month maybe, then I'll say, I stay in the hotel. You don't say you live in the hotel. Live is for a long time. How long? It depends on you. Do you live? Do you stay? Short time, stay. Long time, live. Go back to this video, listen again. Go back, listen again till you understood that, and practice. As you listen, repeat what I say. You will definitely improve your fluency. Stay with this video. Stay with us. Watch all the subsequent videos. You will be fluent in English. I'll see you in the next video. But before that, if you are not subscribed, do hit the subscribe button. Leave your comments over there. Tell me if you liked it. Hit the like button. Tell me if you need some other videos, some special explanations. Put that in the comment. I am here to help you. I'll help you. All right? We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.